Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by restarting your PC and power, cycling the router and modem. Check other devices to confirm the network is working on them. If other devices connect, forget the Wi-Fi on Windows and reconnect. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi and manage known networks. Select the network and choose Forget, then enter the password again to reconnect. Also verify the SSID and password match exactly, including case sensitivity. This first set of checks resolves most temporary connection errors quickly. Update or reinstall the wireless adapter driver from Device Manager in Windows. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click the adapter and choose Update Driver. If updating fails, choose Uninstall Device, then restart to let Windows reinstall the driver. Check the WLAN Auto Config service is running and set to automatic. Press Windows key plus R, type services. MSC, then find WLAN Auto Config and start it. Also disable IP6 temporarily and test the connection to rule out protocol Run the built-in network troubleshooter from settings, then follow suggested fixes. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset. Also run ipconfig/flushtons and ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to refresh addresses. If problems persist, assign a manual IP or temporarily disable security software or VPN. Reset the network stack in settings or use the network reset option to reinstall adapters. Finally, check router settings like
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.